Hello everyone, I'm Pallavi, Customer Success Manager at ExtraaEdge. At ExtraaEdge, we help you to predict and win your admissions. I once again welcome you all to the ExtraaEdge Learnings, the CRM tutorials. And our today's video is about how to make a call. Making a call is one of the most important practice and the mode of communication when you're working as a counselor. At ExtraaEdge, we help you to save your manual efforts and time through this feature of making a call. You need not to copy the number from the CRM and dial it from your Android device, or you not even need to save the leads number in your Android device. You can simply make a call from the mobile CRM or from IVR. Let's quickly jump into the CRM video to see how we can make a call and how we can configure that. Once again, you can see the ExtraaEdge CRM on my screen. So now suppose I need to make a call to this lead Chandni. So on the lead card, I'll go to the action menu. Here I can see the call icon in orange. It says call. Click on that. Now a panel will appear above your screen. It says call to Chandni's number with IVR or app. If you are going to select the app, then make sure the mobile application of ExtraaEdge has been downloaded in your Android device and you have enabled all the permission. We also provide you a list of recommended devices which work best with the app. Click on the app and then simply click on call and you're good to go. Now, if you choose IVR, then make sure your IVR has been integrated with ExtraaEdge and you can simply click on call. Now, if you want to set any one of them as default, you can click on this checkbox and this panel will not appear on your screen again. I hope you understood today's video, and also we are going to make a detailed video about calling a lead. So stay tuned and connected and feel free to reach out to us in case of any query. Thank you for watching the video.